guys, welcome back to the Romano Show. And today we're playing the Spongebob Obby. Oh my god, it's like, oh, it's plankton! Is that Spongebob as a human? Oh, it's all glitched. I don't like this. Alright. Oh!
You do Spongebob?
Yep. Gotta reset my... Oh! That's
Your purple mama.
Alright, here we go. So, oh, I don't like the checkpoint. So wait, what are we going on the...
Yeah, going on the barrels. I played every game that I told Roman to play.
Whoa, no!
I played every game that I told Roman
I meant to
play.
jump. Oh. Alright, I gotta get used to this thing again. I haven't played Roblox in a very long time, except yesterday.
Yeah.
And before that I haven't.
When we got
now on the tables.
my mommy loves.
Wait, what? No! Oh my god, I just broke my neck. I just broke my neck. I don't like this. Alright, so we gotta go to the barrels. I'm gonna just go, like, speed run this, kind of. Oh, so you have to jump the tables. Oh. And then this is open. Oh, Plankton needs help getting the formula from crabs. Oh, this is it. Oh, bro! Oh, he's gonna flip. Whoa! Go! I swear we have to go in the dark fries, because he's, like, evil. Oh, so it does work. Oh, no, this part. This part I hate. I hate these bubble parts. Okay, and then pop. First try. Alright, good. I need the checkpoint. Oh, what is this? Oh, I don't like green tomatoes. I'm gonna skip. Ooh! Oh, wait, what? No! Oh, gosh, that was close. Whoa! Ah! Oh, my gosh. That scared me. Oh, I'm gonna get chopped. I can't see. I can't see where I'm going. It says to just jump. Oh, okay. Whee! I know what to do. Quick jump on those patties to get over. Oh, whoa! I can't tell if I'm about to land on them or not. Oh, that was close. And I just jumped over by 2 patties. Oh, that was close. Now where are we going? Oh, find a key to get the safe. It's in here. Oh, there we go. Whee! It said pick up. I'm not used to this just yet. Oh. F. Wait a second, but it says there's a key. I'm gonna open this, man. What is gonna happen? Do we just click it? Hello? So can we not open the treasure chest? Oh, so you gotta put it on that lock. There we go. Yeah! Put us off. Plankton, I'm not helping you, man. Oh, where's that formula? Which way are we going? Oh, it says to go that way. I'm gonna be on. Wait, do we have to go this way? Seriously, should I trust it? Oh, I made it. Oh, wait. Are we going? Oh, we gotta go over there. That was so easy. I just had to jump that and I made it. Now where are we going? Okay. Oh, cool. We're outside. Run. What? Wait, what? Oh, no, run! No! Wait, it was glitched. I thought that was... Oh, my God. Music. And that's my name up there. Show. Alright. Go. Oh, my God. Oh, I forgot to jump. Let's get, like, really far ahead. Oh! That did not help me at all. Where are we going? Oh, my God. Oh, my God, bro. Go to SpongeBob's house. Where is he? Oh, my God. Hey, Spongebob! How fast? Wait, can I go over here? No. Oh, he's gonna catch me. How close is he? Ah, go! Oh, shoot. Go! Should I just go back? Oh my god. Oh no! What happened? Squidward! You okay? Oh! There's a button to open the door. Go find it. Why am I helping you, bro? Oh my god. Oh no! Whoa! Oh my god, I just got dead. Oh, this is awful. Oh, dang, I forgot to press jump. Oh, my God. Help me. I'm trying to hurry. Oh, come on. I failed on this part. That was close. Alright, there we go. I pressed it. Oh, that door opened. This is new. Where am I? Oh! Shh, don't wake up Gary. I think this formula's like Gary's show. Go check it out. Okay, fine. But I still don't know why I'm helping. Oh! Are we supposed to avoid those? Yeah, I'm fighting them, man. Oh, Gary Snailfoot, you ate a burger! Snails aren't allowed to eat burgers. And Gary's the biggest snail I've ever seen in my whole life. I'm not used to the jump coil yet. Oh, you ate a toy and snail bites? What are you, crazy? Oh my God. Ew, you eat cans. Oh. Gosh, I hate that. Come on, snail food. Bring it. You're not gonna kill me. Oh, the burger. What do I keep hitting? Oh my, I just soaked into the ground. Oh, I'm gonna speed around this, man. So, just go around the burger. No! Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know what's happening. Oh, so you gotta jump early. This is fine. There we go. Oh, no! He's ate a fish! That is disgusting. And then jump on the newspaper. Why did he eat a newspaper? I'm acting like that's normal. Hey! Oh, whoa, this is cool. Oh, it's like a ladder, but if you fall back to the beginning with you. Ooh. Oh, that was close. Oh, it's his heart. I'm gonna stop his heart from beating. I'm gonna kill Gary. Gary, find the formula. Help me. Which way are we gonna go? I'm going around the burger. Okay, so that was good. Is that a firefly? Oh, he's eating fire. But there's like, is that boiling or fireflies? I can't tell. Whoa. Oh, hot dogs. I can't tell. Oh my God, go, go, go. Woo! Where are we now? Do we make it? Yeah! We made it. We did it. The formula was mine. Oh, in the real game, he says I went all through all of that. What is over here? Is his hat remover? Oh, I'm just gonna explore this place a little. Oh, well, you guys. Oh, there's... Oh, man. I can't even see what that looks like. I got glasses on, man. Let me see what this looks like. Ah, okay. Alright, you guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye.